Let's go around the room and state your name, the tours you're featuring today, and general dates that the tours run. Let's start with April.
Sure, my name's April. My tour is I go to New England every fall. So every October, I'm doing several trips to New England, the Maine coastline, and my that's what I got.
Thank you. Um, Next, Marianne.
My name is Marianne O'Connor. I have Kindred Women Travelers, and in June we go to the Azores.
Thank you. And next is Kathy.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kathy. I have a company called Babes in Bali Tours. And so Bali is the destination, and we spend 14 nights in Bali, and the next group is October 22nd.
Thank you. And next is Elaine.
Hi, everyone. My name is Elaine Dixon. Our company is Come to the Sahara, and we operate tours in Morocco. The feature tour for today is our Morocco Mosaic Discovery Tour for women. It runs twice this fall in September, November, next spring, April, May, and even next fall, September and November. So lots of wonderful dates to choose from.
Thank you, Elaine. Next is Yetunde.
Yes, hi, my name is Yetunde of Let's Eat the World. I offer an 8-day, 7-night culinary tour in the south of France that we run generally in the spring, so April or May, as well as in the fall in September. That's it.
Thank you. And back to April.
Sure, so we're sharing a highlight of our tour. So for New England, of course, it's all about the fall foliage, covered bridges, lighthouses, and just all those amazing views that you can get with your camera.
Thank you, April. And Marianne, one of the must-see sites on your tour.
Well, the Azores are just so gorgeous everywhere you go. But what is particularly eye-catching, especially toward the end of June, is the hydrangeas. The hydrangeas are everywhere. They line the highways. It's just an absolutely gorgeous sight.
Thank you. And Kathy, the must-see sites on your tour.
Well, as April was talking about photography, I was thinking Bali is a photographer's dream destination because it's so beautiful. But one of the things I would say people definitely want to see in Bali are all the temples. And I can't pick just one of them because there's many. Some are built in the ocean, there's some on lakes. But the Bali is 95% Hindu, and so there's always a ceremony going on, and it always involves going to a temple. So that's definitely a must-see site.
Thank you. And Yetunde, one of the must-see sites in your tour?
Well, when I first arrived in Uzès back in 2015, the thing that I loved the most was the producers market that takes place every Wednesday. So since our tour is a culinary tour and it centers around food, this is definitely one of the highlights of the week, going to see the fresh produce, which is always seasonal. So when the tour is in April, we'll see asparagus and we'll see the first strawberries. And when it's in September, we have the mushrooms and we have some of the squashes and things. So it's something that changes with every season, and it's absolutely wonderful. And I guarantee you'll fall in love with this city.
Thank you. Now back to April.
You missed Elaine.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
It's
Elaine,
okay.
what's a must-see?
Well, in 14 days, there's probably one every day. But on this particular tour, there are a couple of things. First of all, we have a traditional tea and henna party with Berber women in their home. So that's a very special opportunity to really have an immersive and direct experience with people. There's also a participatory cooking class, and we visit several women's cooperatives where you can discover argan oil production and different textile techniques that women do there.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Thank you, Elaine.
So let's go around quick, let everyone state their website where people can find you. So go ahead, Kathy.
My website is babesinbali.com. You can reach me at 403-278-4084. And on Facebook, it's Babes in Bali is the Facebook page.
Great. Elaine?
Mm-hmm. Yes, our website is www.cometothesahara.com, and my email address is pretty similar. It's elaine@cometothesahara.com. You can also find other contact information, phone numbers there, but quickly, the phone number in Canada is area code 403-225-2203.
Great. Marianne?
Yeah, my website is kindredwomentravelers.com, and email address is Marianne, no E, at kindredwomentravelers.com. You can also find my Facebook page, which is, guess what? kindredwomentravelers.com.
Yetunde?
So the website is let'seattheworld.com, either HTTPS or www, either one will land you there. And you can contact me at info@let'seattheworld.com, where you'll also find a link to my Calendly, where you can schedule a Zoom appointment or a phone call with me if you have any questions about the tour or would like to, discuss anything related to the culinary experience.
Sounds great. And my website is yourphototravelguide.com. The collective, we have lots of these Let's Talk Travel events. So we do these monthly. So you can come and actually speak with all of these ladies and other travel and tour providers. So check out our calendar on the-travelcollective.com/events. And we hope to see you at our Let's Talk Travel live event. Thanks, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.